Changing the oil in your Toyota Vios is a crucial part of routine maintenance. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to help keep your engine running smoothly. Before we begin, make sure you have the following tools and materials ready: pan, filter wrench, tabing 4mm combination and socket, ratchet and extensions, funnel, 4 liters engine oil, 110 oil filter, air filter, every 20 km. Locate the oil drain plug, usually found on the underside of the engine. Using a socket wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow the old oil to drain completely into the pan. While it's draining, inspect the drain plug for any damage or wear. Next, use an oil filter wrench or removal tool to carefully remove the old oil filter. Be prepared for some additional oil to spill, so keep your drain pan handy. Before installing the new oil filter, apply a small amount of fresh oil to the rubber gasket to create a good seal. Screw on the new oil filter by hand until it's snug. There's no need to over-tighten it. Once the old oil has completely drained, replace and tighten the oil drain plug securely. Wipe the excess oil for check-up purposes later. Now it's time to add fresh oil. Refer to your owner's manual for the correct oil type and capacity. Regular oil changes improve your engine's performance, extend its longevity, and help your car achieve its peak gas mileage. Clean oil is essential for keeping the engine and all the engine controls properly lubricated and running smoothly. That gunk, combined with the loss of friction that comes with dirty or low levels of oil, causes premature engine wear, along with drops in performance and fuel efficiency. After adding oil, check the oil level using the dipstick. Add more if needed. Replace also the air cleaner element found on the air cleaner box if necessary. Start the car for 30 seconds. Double-check the oil level using the dipstick. Must better if the level is on the maximum. Add more if needed. Check also if your work has leaks, if there's none. Congratulations! You've successfully changed the oil in your Toyota Vios, ensuring its engine runs smoothly. Remember to properly dispose of the old oil at a recycling center.